Greetings, Career Circle, Digital Learning Coordinator. Welcome to All Things Ed Tech Education. In this particular episode, I want to share with you how to add PDFs into a Canvas module and then how students can annotate on the PDF. And we're going to look at the features that they have available. So what you want to first do is navigate to your Canvas dashboard. You can see here I'm in my Canvas dashboard. I'm going to go ahead and navigate to the course that I want to put the assignment in. You want to navigate to your modules. Let me collapse all these, and I'm putting it into this very specific module, this module here. So I'll open this module here, and to get it into that module, which is kind of like a folder, I'm going to hit plus. I'm going to go to create an assignment. I am going to have this as an assignment. Could be a page, could be a discussion, but let's go ahead and put in here annotate PDF sample as what we're going to use for this particular incident, and add item. Now that has gone to the bottom of my module. It's down here, and I'm going to move it right here where I want it to go under annotating PDF features. And I'm going to give this a quick little indent, and then I'm going to open it up, and we need to click edit once we open it. And the edit button, once I click on edit, you would want to put in your title if you need to change that, your points. So I put that icon in there just to kind of indicate to students visually what they'll be doing. Here I can type in my directions. But really, to add the PDF and to enable annotation, you just scroll down to here. Go ahead and add your points if need be. And submission types, we want to click on submission types, and you want to click on online. Then we want to scroll down to student annotation, click on that. Now we have to add the PDF. You can add it from your course files. I'm going to upload it from my computer, and it is right here, and I hit open. Give that a moment to populate. And then once that does, you can go ahead and check anything else if you need due dates, things of that nature. I'm going to go ahead and hit save and publish. Now this is what it looks like. Scroll down a little bit. So we'll scroll down a little bit to the PDF, and we'll start from the left. Over here it can be downloaded if needed. Here you can advance to the pages that you need to go to. Here you can go ahead and rotate if need be. We can zoom. This is a pretty powerful feature. Enter full screen mode. This is what I encourage you to try. Go ahead and have your students hit enter full screen mode. It just adds a lot more landscape. It's easier to annotate. I can't do it in this demo because then it'll disappear because it'll be above where you're seeing because I have this cropped. But try the enter full screen annotation. Our first really tool over here is our cursor, our selection tool. So if you're on something else like text box and you need to get back to your cursor, just click back on this arrow and you can select things. So that's how that works. Here, this is our point annotation. So let's say, for example, I want to I'm going to click on the point annotation, and I want to make an annotation about the new world right here. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in my comment. Let's see, maybe it's a question. Hit enter, and then the next tool is the highlighter. If I click on the highlighter, I can first select my color over here, and even if you start highlighting without the color selected, so let me go ahead and highlight here. Let me select. So I chose green. Even if you wanted to, you can change the color after you've made the annotation. And maybe you're using color coding to signify various things. So you have 6 colors here, so you can have maybe 6 different types of annotations using a color coded system. And then if you scroll down a little bit down the documents, and let's go ahead and say that we get to an area where here's some open-ended questions. I'm going to take my text box, I'm going to insert it right here, and I'm going to put my answer. I'm just making up something. There we go. Alright. And there we go. If I hit my cursor tool, then I can move that around if need be. You can see you can move things around. So that's how you enter a text box. Of course, we have strike through. If for some reason you need to use strike through, you can do that here. And just go ahead and strike through that. And then you have your free annotation tool. So let me come up to this map here. We'll do our last two with this map. I'm going to click this brush here. I can select the size up here of the line. I'm going to select narrow. I can select my color. And then I can go ahead and do some of my own individual annotation. And again, if you want a larger line, you can select that even after you've drawn it, and it'll go to that size. The last one is our area annotation. So I'm going to click on this. I'm going to highlight North America. I can also change this color, and I'm going to say I live here. So we've looked at the annotation features in Canvas. I showed you how to actually enable them and some of the features. If you need any other support with EdTech integration, contact your area digital learning coordinator. Thanks and have a good day.